We are at H&H Chevrolet for the All Chevy Show. It's a nice day. High 70s, low 80s. Stingray. It's a 1966 Chevy Corvette Stingray. Could have had it for $5,390.
What was that?
Could have had it for about $5,400.
This way, look at this convertible.
I'm looking at the black one, the new one.
You always did like them that way?
Just like the front ends of these just look more like an exotic. They don't have that
Like a
long.
Lambo, yeah.
They don't have that long nose.
Look at the shoulders on it.
Yeah, dude. And the spoiler.
Yeah, I'm sure he's got some nice cars.
2022 Corvette.
It's got real nice spoilers. That's
1954 Corvette. Look at the grills on the headlights.
I love this. 55, you said?
54. Yeah, this is that style of that before they started getting the long front ends. Almost has a Porsche kind of feel to the front end of it.
I mean, who knows what it'll last? Yeah. I mean, you barely paint those, but so it's also nice. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Originally, it's supposed to be
So this is the second year the Corvette was made.
the thing that's the license plate.
Yeah. It's got its own little encasing.
I don't know. Probably won't work out.
Look at the tailpipes, bro. They come out of the body.
What's that?
Can't go over there. It's not in the car.
Oh, okay.
Look at it anyway. Hey.
How long have you had it?
Just buy it.
Yeah?
Something I always wanted. And
It's a beautiful
they're
car.
hard to find.
Is it all stock?
It's just what?
Is it all
It's
stock?
supposed to have a 6-cylinder automatic.
Oh, okay.
Put a V8 manual transmission.
Congratulations on your new bird.
Well, thank you.
Yeah,
Looked for a long time.
that's a beautiful car.
One that I could afford. I guess.
Did you see the engine in the back there?
This is my wife's car.
I like your style.
Same thing goes for this car that I told you.
Yeah, okay.
We'll build her going down the road in it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I mean, we weren't in the area. We were not at least.
Chevelle's.
That's beautiful.
Nice.
I've already filmed this, I think. Oh no, the matte black I have not.
1970 Chevy Chevelle SS. And this one is a 1968 Chevy Chevelle SS.
See? This was our discussion the other day.
68.
Glossy or matte?
Or matte.
I'm a matte guy.
I'm a gloss black guy.
I mean, this just looks mean, though.
454, 450 horsepower.
Hello.
Are these both yours? Just this one. It's awesome. That'd be cool. I love the Chevelles. Beautiful cars. Oh, did you? Oh, you got it just as this is just a microphone. You got it as a rolling chassis?
Yep.
Okay. So you rebuilt everything on it pretty much from ground up?
Yep.
Wow.
We cleaned up what we could, the dashes, the original, and the, what else is original? Dash?
The whole thing. I mean, everything, the
Most of it.
interior
Yeah, we
and
just cleaned
underneath
it
all
all.
painted.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You guys have a lot of patience and a lot of creativity.
Not anymore.
No?
If I did,
Yeah,
I don't have it anymore.
It
No.
burned them out. It was a lot
You're
of
done
work.
with it? One and
It
done?
took-
Yeah.
It took a lot to build that up.
Well, it looks great.
Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you.
What do we got here?
Ooh, looks like a ZZ Top ride. It's a 1941 Special Deluxe.
Check out the pinstripe on this dashboard.
Oh, that's awesome.
I love that.
That is awesome. I love how they take the exterior paint and bring it into the interior dash, and then the pinstripe just sets it off. Special Deluxe.
You already set the year and everything for the Camaro?
Yep.
Look at this one, boy. Red and black.
Oh.
You like that paint?
Love it. It's a 1970 Chevelle SS 454.
Deal broke down and stopped at a couple other colleges.
Super
They
clean.
wanted to come to certain camps. And so let's go to camps. But that's expensive.
Look at the interior on it. I mean, that's mint. Looks like a brand new car.
It really does. Hey, dude, is this your plastic wagon?
Hey, look at that dog.
That's how I'm going to sound after we keep walking.
Ooh, look at this yellow Chevelle. How you doing?
Hi there.
Is this your car? Yeah. It's beautiful.
Take off.
Oh, you're taking off? What year is it?
71.
71 Chevelle SS.
So we get to hear you fire it up, huh? Hell.
Oh, nice. We're Motor Droid. If you want to check us out, just scan that. We've got a YouTube channel. We feature car shows, car races.
Gotcha. Okay, thanks.
Look to your back.
Did you rebuild this, or is it?
No, I rebuilt it.
You rebuilt it?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Super clean.
Yeah, thanks.
This paint stripe, that's not black.
No, it's a charcoal.
See that, Jeff? In
Yeah.
the sun?
Yeah, it
It'll
sparkles.
change anywhere from black to silver depending on what angle the sun's at.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm glad we caught you. That is
Yeah.
Yeah.
a beautiful engine bay.
Thanks.
I could eat off that.
Yeah.
I won't.
Yeah, man. This looks like a brand new car. How long have you had it?
I've had it since this is my first car ever.
Oh,
My
really?
parents bought it for me in '86.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long has it been completely
This,
rebuilt?
3 or 4 years. 4 years maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, you did some nice work. You care if we stick around while you fired it up?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, get that microphone by the exhaust.
All right.
Love those rims.
Thanks.
Very cool. Great to meet you.
You gotta hear this thing. I knew by like see the white interior.
Mm-hmm.
I had no physical work ethic whatsoever. My wife worked out.
1980 Chevy Corvette C3.
High school was mine too, man.
Really? You all missed high school?
No, no,
in high school it was your dream car.
Yeah.
What's up?
Well, the C3. I graduated in '74, but I always wanted a C3. I think it's the sexiest body they made.
Me too. Yeah, that's beautiful. I love the white dash. That body style is just sexy. Good job. Sexy car. Do you think it's sexy? Ooh, 1970 Chevy Nova SS.
Then they want to submit RFQ
RFIs. I'm like, you shouldn't need an RFI when there's no fucking thing to begin with. Yeah. You know what I mean? It'd be one thing if it was just like, hey, here's, we did this high, this is all built, you know, custom built, just get it done. Nope. Like, hey, we sold.
This is a great show.
Mm-hmm.
Monte Carlo.
If you like Chevys, you came to the right place. That's a Monte Carlo?
Yeah, I do.
1971 Monte Carlo.
Like, I don't want to bother him.
We had a 73 Monte Carlo, but it looked nothing like that. Oh, look at this two-tone over here. It's Chevelle.
The blue.
The Nova.
Yeah.
Excuse me. 1970 Chevy Nova. Wow, look at the paint job on this.
Yeah.
It's a 1966 Chevy Chevelle. It's one of the most wicked pinstripes I've seen. Yeah, it's got the...
It's like wings.
Yeah. This, so far, is my best to show for paint job.
Yeah.
That is just awesome. That's a mean-looking car, man. I love Chevelles. Bill & M's 71 Chevelle. Pretty sure. Looks like a 70s paint color.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm working on it again next week. New house project.
2000 Chevy Convertible Corvette.
I was like, I didn't park over there.
Here's a 1969 Chevelle Super Sport.
Yeah, these are all new. That's Jeff's car.
427 CI, 430 horsepower. Its color is a bright burgundy metallic mist. It's got a H&H motor on it.
Yeah, you gotta love Burgandy.
It's, yeah, classic. Classic. Dude, a Corvair.
Yeah.
This is dubbed the worst vehicle ever made. 1966 Chevy Corvair. Get the stick. What the? The sun needs to go back behind the clouds.
I know. At least I'm sweating out the alcohol.
Can't play.
1983
college football
Chevy
night without
Corvette.
some booze. What year?
83.
So what do they? No, that's fine. What do they go for? He always asks.
Or 93, my bad.
I said, oh, you sell
1993 Chevy
I
Corvette.
only got 30 calls.
It's an 89 Corvette Coupe.
My dad had his first one that got dropped was an '89. That was Burgandy.
There's a guy over here. My brother had a '64 and there's a guy. I forget where he was at over here.
It's a 1992 Chevy Camaro Z28.
Which one are you gonna buy? Are you selling it? What's the deal with the stuff on the last here? The fur that I'm looking at.
I don't know, that was just,
It was just part of it?
it was just something back in the days people did.
Right, but it's carbureted and 4-speed. Right, 83.
So 1976 Chevy Laguna S3.
Green carpet.
Nowadays they just when you buy
Green
out,
dashboard.
almost unless you are getting really high.
Green M&M.
White touch of seats. You don't see this color very often.
I like that.
You don't see this car very often. Yeah, it's already got red sleeve.
Excuse me. You like this, don't you?
I love this car. 2000 Chevy Camaro Z28. Yep.
Some aftermarket stuff in that motor there.
All underneath too. Look under the wheel.
Under the car?
All tubular suspension. 8-position adjustable shock.
Nice.
Got a polished out drive shaft. Got a brand new Hayes clutch in it.
How long have you had it?
I bought it out in Arizona
Oh, okay.
about 6-7 years ago.
Nice. So no rust or anything.
59,000 miles on it.
Oh, wow. Just getting broke in.
Yeah, I bought it when I had 53.
Okay.
So in 7
So you've
years,
only put 3 on it, huh?
I only
you just-
drive it about 200 maybe a year.
Okay. Just to get out and go fast.
Come to this stuff.
Come to this stuff.
Yeah, and I liked it. Hot rod.
Yeah, I love the body style of the late 90s, early 2000 Camaro.
This is a 6-speed.
Nice.
Good shape.
Yeah. I have a 2015 Camaro, but I want one of these.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, this one's for trade.
Correct.
Look at the hood on it.
I know. The blower.
That's insane. How you doing? Here we have a 1989 Chevy S10 that has been fully customized.
I think it's cool. The spoiler.
It's got like ghosted spider webs in the paint. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Definitely some nice custom work put into that one. Hey, is that Mater?
That's another Mater.
1957 Chevy 3100 pickup. Right here we got a drop Silverado.
Square body lowrider.
The engine in it, super clean. 1978 Chevy C10. Look how low it is.
Gotta have bags.
That wasn't gonna work.
1967 Chevy Nova. .582 CI pump gas engine, 820 horsepower. .1971 Chevy El Camino.
That's badass looking.
Mm-hmm.
That's mean looking though. Those big tires in the back.
I like it. .2018 Chevy Camaro SS. Really dumbed down the dash on the newer ones.
Yeah. Where's just Italian?
It was Chevy Citation.
The Chevy Citation. You should get a ticket for having one.
You should. It's an ugly ass car.
It's my Chevy speeding ticket.
Oh, here we go. 1968 Chevy Camaro Z28.
That is mean.
68.
68.
Hmm? 2011 Chevy Camaro SS. Pretty common. 2003 Corvette CS.
See why I buy one when it's free. Well, I have a cheeseburger, yeah. Basically.
That's sick. That is, wow.
Sure, yeah. So somebody could come to one of our houses and say, wow, I love this house. You know, I don't need
1960 Corvette.
Sure, yeah, stuff like that. You know, then obviously they get to, you know, choose all their finishes and, you know, make it theirs. So. Yeah, there's a 62 over there.
Okay.
So that they changed the front nose a little bit.
Yep.
They got rid of some of the chrome,
Yep.
but then they went to kind of that Stingray looking rear end.
Yeah, this is like the beginning of that humped look on the back.
Yeah.
Above the wheels.
Yeah.
This has to be a blast to drive.
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, you got to have some toys.
You got the big old shit bar there.
Yeah, for the girlfriend.
Oh, that's
But
good.
she likes the top down. Personally, I like the top up. I mean, if you look at, you know, basically the 62, the red one there, the top up makes it look like a whole different vehicle.
It
Just
does.
that one more body line to it, or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
I think it looks better with the top up.
Yeah,
too.
personally, I like it that way.
But if I drove it, I'd probably have the top.
Yeah, and that's her. I'm like, what car you want to take tonight? We're taking the convertible. It's like, okay.
Yep.
Great to meet you.
Yeah,
Thanks for
definitely
your time.
appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.
Look at the grill.
I know. And now you're starting to see the evolution, man, because those 50s didn't
Yeah.
have shoulders like that.
That grill is so much cooler than that one,
And that's newer.
right?
That's a 60 and that's a 62.
I like the 60,
Yeah. That's
but I really like this Camaro over here. Yeah, dude.
Oh, bye-bye.
Nice. It's an Impala. That's yeah. That is sick, dude. My car did that when the struts went out on it. So this is a 62?
Yep. According to Ted.
1962 Chevy Corvette convertible.
You see the 60 just across the way? That black one? The
We
black,
haven't been
black
over
with the
there yet.
convertible. That's a 60 and this is a 62.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah.
So cool.
Didn't have a radio. And I think even they were always looking for somebody to make a plate over the radio.
Okay.
Okay.
I like that flat black stripe.
Yeah, it's cool. Gloss with the matte black.
Mm-hmm. It's the best of both worlds, Murph.
Yeah.
Like those rims too.
If we ever have to build a car together,
Yeah.
it'll be the stripe with matte.
1999 Chevy Camaro SS. I love the vinyl they put on this
Yeah,
thing. And that
cool.
paint job is ridiculous. That's a gorgeous car.
Yeah. Look at this skeleton in that one.
Smart Team Grammatica.
I don't know where to go, dude. You're just gonna have to leave.
That's Martin Grammaticus car. It's got more skeletons in its closet than he's got calf skin.
72.
72 Chevy Corvette Stingray.
Hey, could you imagine burning your leg on that when you get out?
That blue is very unique.
Yeah.
What about this green and black Bel Air?
Bel Air. Look at the
It's the
headlights.
Hulk. Look at the license plate. Oh, dude, it's got LED headlights.
The Hulk.
That is mean. 1955 210 sedan.
Look at the locks.
That's Hulk fist. Look at the stick. Did you see the stick?
It's a fist too.
Yeah. How you doing?
How's it going?
Good.
See you later.
Are you the Hulk?
I'm the whole.
Nice.
Badass.
Yeah, it's me.
All those touches with the fist on the stick
Yeah,
shift
yeah.
and
Yeah.
all that.
I had, before I had done the gray 2 months ago, I got my trunk signed by Lou Frigno.
Oh, no
nice.
kidding?
Yeah, so I got that hanging up, so I put this new trunk on.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
I like the LED headlights you put on there too.
yeah, thank
All
you.
ties together.
It's all green up underneath at night too.
We do a.
Oh, you got the undercar lighting
Oh,
on?
yeah.
Nice.
We go take it to the crusher. Is that what he said?
Hey, he's been on me all day.
This is a beautiful color on this.
It's all right.
See?
It's all right. Same deal for you though. Call me.
Yeah,
We'll make a video about both your cars.
Awesome, perfect. Yeah, thank you.
Great to meet you guys.
Yeah,
Yeah, you too.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's
I like that color.
beautiful car. 1969 Chevy Camaro RS. It looks like blue. It's like chameleon. It's like blue in the sun, but it's purple.
Yeah, when I was walking up to it, I thought it was blue.
Very cool. 1966 Chevy Impala SS.
Are you gonna hit? Yeah, I'm not.
L78 396, 375 horsepower. Here we have 1964 Chevy Corvette Convertible. Hear that vet?
Rage insanity. This guy's pulling out.
I got your ball.
1959 Chevy El Camino. Never seen one like this. That has like a full-size pickup bed, you know? It's not a short box.
No. That's cool.
That is the most unique car I've seen in a long time. 18,000 actual miles on it. That's it.
Are you serious?
Look at how the interior is all gray, dude.
Okay, they're underneath the tank all the way over there.
Yeah, only 18,000 actual miles on it. It's a brand new car.
What's up, guys? Hi, baby. And you got a new one. Hi.
My sister's a huge country fan, and I lived with her for about 2 years. So I got all kinds of old country references. When I say old, like 15 years ago. Oh, this is signed by the Huskers. How you doing? Yeah. 1966 Chevy Chevelle Malibu.
But I don't want to say that out loud. She did that.
That silver Chevelle's dope.
This Impala?
65 Impala Super Sport Convertible. Last year of the 409. All black and chrome. That's mean.
Yeah, I like that.
Did you see the custom Impala symbol in the back seat? She's real fine, my 409. Okay. Now we're on the Mopar side. $1977 Barracuda.
Of course, have a great day. See this Dodge Viper.
Yeah, there we go. Nice. It's a 2002 Dodge Viper GTS.
Heaviest clutch I've ever driven was on a Viper.
You drove a Viper?
Yeah, in a detail shop.
So
I got to pull it out to the park.
there's a SRT8 Hellcat Challenger. The white one. (2020) Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye Wide Body. Sweet ride. It's another Hellcat.
I like this hood display.
Oh, there you go. There's an old one. Oh, that's awesome. 1973 Barracuda.
I'd just drive it down the road like that. Just reach out, grab a burger off the table, get it down your neck.
Just start grilling it. Just start grilling on the hood, dude.
Yeah, dude. How's that not a griddle?
Mm-hmm. 1971 Dodge Challenger. Get the blue one over there. What kind of car is that has that front end on it? That blue one. And the huge spoiler on the back? Roadrunner Superbird. Can't hear myself think.
We at the IBW? That one goes hot going down. That's such a big, ridiculous spoiler.
They were it was the first car that had that big whale tail on the back.
Yeah.
That I know of.
That's another Viper.
Yeah. So why would a Toyota be over here? Damn. Look at that motor, dude. V10, 8.4 liter. 2009 Viper ACR. '70s fast Cuda, 440. I like the Challenger RT.
Yeah.
I hate that sticker in the back though.
The Raid.
Boo Raiders.
The Raid.
Go Chiefs. There's another Viper. What is this thing? Look at this thing.
I know.
It's got styrofoam around it.
It's Veteran Mike. Mike the Veteran.
It's Mike the Veteran. Oh, that's the hood.
Yeah.
I thought that was on top from a distance. I thought that was the roof.
This is a race car.
Definitely a racer. Did you see the RPM module selector? RPM module selector, and I think that's nitrous on off switch.
Oh, he's at the Louisville Park.
1969 Dodge Coronet. Are those Bagger Vance's golf clubs?
This is what Walt's gonna buy.
1927 Chrysler. Finer 70. It's got wood rims.
Oh, look at the fins on
Takes me back to my childhood license.
1958 Belvedere.
See the license plate?
Christine. This was the Christine car. Did you ever see Christine?
Yeah. Way back.
She's like, that car is a killer. What's this old dude?
Suicide doors?
1934 Plymouth PE5 window coupe. I like that paint job.
Yeah.
It's like classic black and gold. Very cool. It's another Cuda.
This is where we started.
Couldn't hear it because of this thing. One more time. This thing doesn't move. Thank you.
Sound good enough to you?
1956 Chevy Pro Street.
I'd start mine up, but
I wouldn't be able to hear it.
It's quiet compared to that.
mine is
A lot quiet with a blower.
You don't have the cutouts on it?
no sir.
That
did not disappoint.
No, that was a pleasant surprise.
Those fucking all Chevy, but all Mopar, perfect combination.
Yep. Chevy's my favorite, so I enjoyed the show.
All right, Jeff, you got to sign it off for everybody.
Motor Droid! 1963 Chevy Nova. Joe.
Yeah?
I love that car. Look at that thing. I like the paint job on that Corvette. This one, it's like that.
I want to know what color it is.
It's like an off-white. It's like a slate almost. Look at the front of it, dude. I love those cars. What year is that, Murph?
No idea. It's a chopper. It's custom built. Those fish fins, though, dude.
Get the paint on that.
Those fish fin pipes.
Yeah, those are cool.
They sound even cooler. That paint's crazy. All the gold flake. Do you know how heavy that paint had to be coming down? Like,
I don't, but I'll take your word for it.
we had to paint bar stools at for Harris back in the day, and they were gold, and they had gold flake paint. Just runs and runs and runs.
I like this. Got almost like an 80s style paint job or like a late 70s.
Yeah. The sissy bar on this thing with the seat.
That's a narrow seat. Fits a crack.
Hopefully it's a narrow pussy thing.
Puppy.